Here we are on Alvarado Street in Brisbane at the start of the alley walkway between Alvarado Street and San Benito Road. The proposed improvements include the addition of a concrete walkway with a mixture of steps and horizontal landings, and a handrail and a lighting system on one side. And the goal is to build it up to the California Building Code to the maximum extent possible. The lower end of the alley walkway on Alvarado Street connects to the rest of the central Brisbane alley, which provides pedestrians with a safe route to get to the activity centers in downtown Brisbane, such as the community park, the library, and the community center. As we make our way up the walkway, you can see that it's pretty steep and narrow, and most of it is actually just a dirt trail at this point. Up here, this part of the walkway beyond the paved part starts to get really steep and actually starts to lean towards the fence on my left quite a bit. There are lots of large rocks sticking out of the surface, and that combined with the steep elevation makes it really difficult to get over and creates very large tripping hazards. Looking down from that steep rocky section of the walkway, you can see how challenging the terrain is and how those tripping hazards make it difficult for most users to navigate down safely and comfortably. The remainder of the walkway up to San Benito Road at the top continues to be a narrow dirt trail, only about 2 feet wide in most places, and requiring an elevation change of about 30 or 40 feet to the top. Tripping hazards such as loose rock and tree roots continue to present a challenge for most users. At the top of the pathway at San Benito Road, the grade starts to become steeper again. An overgrown ivy on the side restricts the path to less than a foot of width. At the top, the pathway doesn't meet up with the street at grade, so this large drop-off height between the curb and the path surface is difficult to navigate over, and it's especially dangerous for people trying to get down from the street onto the pathway. From the bottom of the pathway up to the top, it's an elevation change of about 60 feet and about 200 feet of horizontal length. So that's a quick run through of the project area. The goal is to make improvements to the walkway to make it more accessible for children to walk to Brisbane Elementary School, less than a quarter mile east of the project area, as well as to allow residents on the upper streets to more easily walk to nearby downtown Brisbane. So thanks for watching, and we hope you will support our efforts to improve walkability and safety for pedestrians here in Brisbane.